Hey traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 10 trades. Today's date is October the 20th and I'm using my new Pro Trader trading system. So every morning at 6 o'clock a.m. New York time, right here where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer analyzing the charts on all the instruments. I'm making decisions whether I should be buying and or selling, putting in up or down arrows, and I get all that information directly from my daily trade plan expert advisor, which is right here. Now this is a screenshot that I took about 6:15 this morning. So all of the trades you see down at the bottom, and you can put the video on pause if you want, I sold only the first one at the top and all the rest were buys. And as you can see, a lot of blue in here wanted to be buying. So I took all the trades directly from what it says on my expert advisor here. If you don't have a daily trade plan, well, that's a good reason why you are failing as a trader. Now once I know if I want to be buying or selling by these arrows, then you can easily just wait for the super signal indicator here to give you a signal on the left side here, either to buy or sell. You'll get an audio alert and a pop-up box with all this information. So, and of course I wouldn't trade without the two most important indicators I have down here is the TZ indicator, the goal line. I've nicknamed it a magic indicator, and I would say the same thing for the super signal indicator. It pays for itself every day, many times over. Okay, so we can get into these trades now. Dollar CAD is the first trade. I knew right away I wanted to be selling it just by looking at the charts and all the indicators down at the bottom. And don't forget about the meter. The USD is a bus driver. It's 20% or lower. So that means we're selling the USD. Same thing. So if we're selling the USD, USD is on the left side, so it's going down. And of course the euro dollar and the pound dollar, which I traded, were buys, in other words going up, as they are correlated, these pairs. So here we go. Now this is when I saw it over here, but obviously getting in over here would have been better. And then it went down a bit, went sideways, went back up, came back down. That's the way the market moves. Just to let you know, I trade directly from the 15-minute time frame, but to do this video I dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get the pip and the tick total more accurate. So I closed it out at this cursor here with 10 pips and I was happy with that. Remember, when I'm happy, it's usually because I have 200 or more pips and ticks, and this is going to be well over 600 for today. So those 10 pips times the money times the 10 lots paid out $802. Moving on to the next trade, euro dollar. Let's see where that one is. It's right here. On the 5 minutes, wanted to be buying directly from the daily trade plan. And that's where I actually put in the trade. You can put in the trade either new order here, or you can click on here, do the same thing. There's I just happen to like doing it over here. So let's see where I got in on this euro dollar. Knew I wanted to be buying. Should have got in a little bit further down. That's your setup candle. Don't you just love the super signal indicator, which is on the next candle? There it is, the arrow, and that's producing over 40 pips. Went up, did a pullback, went back up, and so euro dollar looking at the money, this should be 27 because it pays $10 each pip. There it is right there, 27 pips times at $10 times the 10 lots paid out $2,700. Moving right along to the next trade, the euro yen. Down on the 5 minutes, there's the arrow. As you can see in the 5 minutes, you're going to get a bunch of arrows, but that's why it's very important that you have a daily trade plan. You know, I'll be showing you 4 different packages at the end, and I recommend all 4 packages. Certainly will help your trading. I would not trade without all 4 of the packages. Euro yen. Where did I get in? Right here. Setup candle. There's your arrow. Looks like I missed it by about 7 pips. Not a big deal. Went up, down, back up. Could have put another lot in right around here, but like another position, but I had 10 trades running, so did not need to do more. And looks like I ended up locking in about 46 pips. And those 46 pips times the money and then times the 10 lots paid out $3,138. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 on each tick here. Let's see now where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. Really came late to the party, but I had to wait for this pullback. And that's where I decided to get in on this blue candle. Didn't get the signal till over here, but not a big deal. Here, anywhere across here, would have produced the same amount approximately. Now, the calculator, I took the money, divided it by $5, and it shows 84. So there's 84 ticks, and there it is right there. 84 ticks times the 5 times the 10 lots paid out $4,200. Moving on to the next trade, the pound yen. Another one I wanted to be buying. Let's see where I got in at. Setup candle, trigger candle, wait for the pullback. Exactly the way I teach within the training videos. Let's see where I got in at, right here. And I closed it out just being happy with, looks like 101. So 101 pips ended up paying out $6,745. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the S&P 500 right here. Here we go. Another one wanted to be buying. I waited for the pullback, same as the Dow Jones. Here's the pullback, got in. And I took the calculator and divided the money by $5, as it pays $5 for each tick. And it says that it should be 135. So let's see, 135. There it is right there. You remove the last digit. So it's 135 ticks times the $5 times the 10 lots paid out $6,750. Moving on to the next trade, the pound dollar, same as the euro dollar. It went up. I bought it. Looking at the money here, should be 68. Whoops. Let's get to the pound dollar. Here we go. Pound dollar. Close this little window. Open this up. There it is. Trigger candle. I missed it there, so I just waited for the pullback. Exactly how I trade with, I teach in the training videos. And I said this should be 68 pips. There it is right there, 68 pips. Times the $10, times the 10 lots, paid out $6,800. Moving on to the next trade, the Russell. Now this one pays $10 for each tick. And looking at the money, well, it should be 72, so on the Russell. Same as the other ones that were correlated, did the pullback. Exactly I teach in the videos. What I say, 72. So looks like I got out at the right time. There it is right there. You remove the last digit. 72 ticks times the $10 times the 10 lots paid out $7,200. Now the next one here, the NASDAQ, same thing, wait for the pullback, not a big deal. Pays $20, so divide that by 2, should be 50 point something. Okay, let's run a check on this NASDAQ. Calculator states that it's going to be 50.5. So 50. Oh, pretty close. 50.58. You remove the last 2 digits because I don't bother with the points. So it's 50 ticks times the $20 times the 10 lots paid out $10,100. Okay, moving on to the last trade. Love trading the DAX 30 as it moves the most, pays the most, get a lot of ticks. Does pay actually $3.75 for each tick. So I got in a little bit late, went sideways, down a bit, sideways, finally went up. And I was 95% sure it was going to go up. So I took the money and divided by $3.75, and the calculator says it's 430. Lot of ticks. 430. Oh, finally got this one to get right on, right? It'll stop jumping around. There it is there, 430 ticks times the money times the 10 lots. Paid out $16,125. So another great day of trading. I knew it was going to be well over 600, mostly because of this DAX 30, which produced over 400. Added up everything, and a grand total came to 1,025 pips and ticks. And all of those pips and ticks ended up paying out $64,561. So if your system is not producing like my Pro Trader system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the Daily Trade Plan Expert Advisor. Now, if you want to get some more information on how to get those packages and learn more about the different packages, all you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see this information. Here is the package, and each and every package individually is $250. Here's the Pro Trader system. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now, there's well over 3 gigabytes of training. You'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now, I'm not going to read everything here, but there's a lot of different ways that I teach. And of course, there's 22 videos teaching that. They're about 30 minutes long each. So anyhow, you can put this video on pause. Here's another package right here. It's the Expert Advisor for the Daily Trade Plan. There's 3 videos focusing on the Expert Advisor. And of course, if I'm going to show you 4 packages. You can pick any 2 you want, and you buy 2, I'll give you one of the next 2 for free. Here are the other 2 packages. Individually, they're $250 each. I'll give you one of these 2 for free. I highly recommend you get your hands on all 4 packages. This one has extreme high value because there's a lot of advanced trading tips. There will be a total of 20 videos. There will be up to 20 videos altogether. I am now up to 19. Tomorrow, hopefully, I should be able to complete this package with 20 videos. Time is, I don't know, roughly 20 minutes to 30 minutes long each. So it is packed with a lot of educational material with a lot of trading tips. So anyhow, let's focus on this area one more time. As I mentioned, put it on video, read everything here. It's also right below this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, it's simple. All you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link, and through Skype screen sharing, after we have our Skype connection, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks, and keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, as I mentioned, should be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.